Okay, now I'm going to take the second in the series of videos of exercises or questions that are on page 9 of the geometry note-taking packet. So we're going to focus on this one. What is a radius of a circle with a circumference of 43.9 yards? So here's question 2. What is the radius of a circle with a circumference of 43.96 yards? All right. Well, I'm going to start with this little chart that I've shown you, circumference, diameter, radius. So if the circumference is 43.96, to go from circumference to diameter, I divide by pi. So we're going to use 3.14 as our estimate for pi. So 43.96 divided by 3.14 is equal to 14. So our circumference is, our diameter is 14 units. In this case, it's yards, and here it's also yards. Now, if I know the diameter is 14, I divide that by 2, and I get my radius is 7 yards. Now, that's one way of doing it. Now let's talk about how to do it with the formula. So the formula for circumference is either pi d or 2 pi r. Well, because I'm going to get the radius, I'm going to use this one. Circumference equals 2 pi r. So circumference equals 2 times pi times r. Well, the question says the circumference is 43.96, so I'm going to replace that with 43.96 equals, I'm going to bring down the 2. I'm going to replace pi with 3.14 because it asked me to use 3.14 as an estimate. So pi equals 3.14. So 43.96 equals 2 times 3.14 times r. So now we have one variable we need to solve for. So if you take a look, I'll bring this down. 43.96 is equal to 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 r. So now I have an equation where once again I can solve it by just going one more step from here. So to get r by itself, what would I do? I would divide this side of the equation by 6.28. If I divide one side by 6.28, I have to divide the other side by 6.28. Let me just move this equal sign down a little bit. All right, so what do we have? Well, take our handy dandy calculator out. 6 point, nope, I'm sorry, silly me. This becomes just 1r. 6.28 divided by 6.28 is 1r. Now let's go to this side where we have, by the way, my son is trying to be funny by sending me a text message while I'm doing this. He's a funny guy, isn't he? 43.96 divided by 6.28. Whoops, typed it wrong, 6.28. So 43.96 divided by 6.28 is equal to 7. So the radius is equal to 7, but let's not forget we're talking about a measure of distance, so it's going to be 7 what? In this case, we're talking about yards, so 7 yards. Hope that helped you. Thank you.